Hello guys, in the previous video we have learned about the CSS box model. Now in this tutorial let's learn about how to apply padding, border and margin uh, briefly, elaborately. And here, so first let's start with the padding. So when we say padding is equal to 20 pixel, as I said in the previous video, the padding 20 pixels is applied across all the four top, right, bottom and left. So now if you want to apply different padding in different sections, then what you want to say is like first comes the top. Let's say 20 pixels in the top and 30 pixels in the right and 40 pixels in the bottom and 50 pixels in the left. So this is the order. So it's top, right, bottom and left. Let's save and then have a look. So if you see here, so we have a padding of 20 pixels at the top and right 30 pixels and bottom 40 and then the left 50. So similarly for margin, we can have 20 pixels at the top, 30 pixels at the right and 40 pixels at the bottom and 50 pixels at the left. So if you refresh the page, so you can see the same has been applied in the margin. So 20 pixels from the top and 50 pixels from the left and 40 pixels from the bottom. So now what if we want to apply the same padding or margin in the top and bottom and then same padding in the right and left. So if we say 20 pixels and 30 pixels here, it is say top and bottom 20 and right and left 30. So let's have a look. So if we see here now, so top and bottom is 20 pixels and right and left is 30 pixels. So that has been applied. You can apply separately also. For example, you can have padding bottom, padding left, padding right, padding top. But what we have seen just now is the collective thing. So in this padding property, you can apply the top, bottom, right and left, all these things. So now similarly for margin also, we have margin bottom, left, right and top. So what we have seen is like collectively applying all the four sides in a single using the margin property. So for border, we can apply border bottom color, so border bottom left radius. So there are many properties for borders. So now let's see the default property border. So you can set the pixels, like for example we can say 10 pixels and whether it is a solid or dotted or whatever it is. So we will say solid. If you say 10 pixel solid, it will just by default apply the color of the element, and if you want to change the color of the border, you can say red and you save it. And if you refresh it, so see the now the border has been changed. Okay, so now we'll just say border is 10 pixels and then border bottom color is aqua and border bottom style is groove and border top color is some this one and border top style is double. So let's see what happens here. So see, so for the border bottom we have the style of groove and then color is aqua, and then similarly in the top it is a double border and then the color is greenish color. So like this we can play around with the padding, margin and border. You can apply different borders. We will see about text property and the font properties. Thank you.